Most tourists in Hanoi head straight to the old quarter for food, but hidden just beyond the usual paths are restaurants with a vibe, a story, and flavors you will rarely find. Today I will take you to three unusual spots most visitors miss. Obscure yet stylish, that's Hanoi Social Club, tucked away in a colonial era villa. This cafe restaurant feels like stepping into another world. Tourists often pass by without noticing, but once inside, you find art on the walls, a relaxed atmosphere, and food that blends Western comfort with Vietnamese flair. On the top floor of the cafe, it's perfect for digital nomads or anyone wanting a quiet escape from Hanoi's rush. Pizza lovers, it's not just the food, but the feeling here. Many travelers miss this spot, but it's worth the detour if you want a quiet evening and a good meal. Sometimes the best places aren't about fame, but the comfort they bring. Now, for something completely different, Hanoi might not be where you'll expect to find authentic New York style pizza, but that's exactly what this place delivers. Big slices, thin crust, and an interior that feels like a corner of Brooklyn transported to Vietnam. It's a taste of home for expats and a curiosity for locals and travelers who want more than pho or banh mi. These three restaurants aren't the usual tourist picks, and that's exactly why they stand out. Hanoi is full of hidden gems waiting for you to discover.